Hi, today I will be teaching you how to make your very own cootie catcher. First, you will need a square piece of paper to create your cootie catcher. The first step is to fold the top edge and the bottom edge together, creating a crease line. Then after, unfold. Next, for step 2, fold the right edge and the left edge together, then unfold. Then, after you're finished that, step 3 is take one of the corners of the paper and fold it into the middle of the sheet of paper that the crease lines converge at. Next, for step 4, repeat step 3, but for all the corners, folding them into the middle. Next, you flip it over, then you repeat step 4 by folding all the corners into the middle. Don't unfold it, by the way. After, fold the bottom edge to the top edge and make sure the flaps are on the bottom. Finally, put your fingers in the flaps and push the top left and top right corners together. And then you should have your cootie catcher. Enjoy it!